In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Canva. Canva is a website that students and teachers can use to design and publish professional products such as graphics, that could be infographics, flyers, postcards, any of those type of things. So again, students can use this for free. You can use this for free. It does have premium features in it that can cost money, but you really can get a lot out of it for not having to pay anything at all. When you're done with your creation, you can also publish it to any social media, as well as download it as a PDF, PNG, or JPEG, and share it out that way as well. So in order to create an account, you can go to canva.com. And once you're at canva.com, if you have an account, you log in here. If not, you will fill out the information here with your name and what you do. Select teacher after you put your name in there, and then you're going to sign up with an email, and that will walk you through some processes to create your email account. I'm going to log in because I already have an account made. You can also just log in with Google as well if you want to, so you don't ever have to remember your information. So once you're in, this will be your dashboard, your homepage that you will see. First time you log in, it will walk you through step-by-step tutorial, but I'm just going to show you some of the features in here since I already have an account created. So there are different designs that are across the bottom here for templates that you can use if you want. And then once you start creating designs, they'll show up on the bottom as well here for you. So what I'm going to go is look at a poster and show you the different poster features today. So if I click on poster, you will notice in the lower right hand corner will be informing me if the template is free or if it costs money. So something like this might cost money for me to use versus this one here, because it is ID'd as free, is free for me. They have that free feature in all of their posters that they show. So say I'm going to have a summer art workshop that I want students to know about, or maybe there's just a summer activity I want them to know about and I want to send out posters or print out posters in the school. This might be a layout that I like. Across the left-hand side here, you'll see your toolbar that allows you to customize this poster for what you want. So the first one is the layout template. Again, you can scroll through and see they have hundreds of templates that you could choose from if you want. And I'm just going to, again, choose the summer one up here. The elements feature will give you different shapes and designs that you can drag and drop into here. So say I like this that I'd want to feature towards the bottom. You just drag and drop it in, and that's one of the great features with Canva. It's really easy to use. Everything is a drag and drop, and then you can resize it. So once I have this in here the size I want, I can also tilt it if I want to at a different angle so that it can be in the orientation that I think would, stylistically or aesthetically look correct. If there's something in here like this, Northern Hills School, I'm not Northern Hills School, I'm West Ottawa, so I can go through and delete that. And I can also change then the color. So say I want this to be in white, because what I'm going to have is my background color. If I click on that, notice my background will change. I can change my background color to maybe gray. Again, I don't like this icon here because I don't feel like it fits what we're doing, so I can just delete that all the way if I want. And then I can upload a different icon in here that they have for free. Or if I have my own icon, I can just drag and drop it or upload it into here. So I could upload the West Ottawa image icon here if I wanted to. So once I'm done with all of those and customizing it, I can, it will automatically all save as I'm doing this. So I don't ever have to hit a save button. If you look up here, it says all changes are saved as I'm doing that. The last textile to the left here I want to show you is the background. So I can actually change the background design all the way in the back if I want. So again, they have a ton of free custom templates in here that I can use for my background. The last two features in here are the folders. The folders allow me to create my own folders within here, or I can search for apps as well to help insert things such as like emojis if I want into my design. When I'm done, I want to rename this. So maybe I'm going to call this Summer Flyer, West Ottawa Public Schools. Now will again automatically save. And then I can print it out if I want as a poster. I can present this to a group. I can then share it out on social media as well. If I want to share this directly with someone else, they can also view the design. They'll have to confirm their account, but you can add them on there and allow them to be an editor as well. So if I wanted to say maybe share it with Elaine, I could do that and then send the invite out to her if I wanted to by clicking on share the design. So that's an easy way to share out and do collaboration as well if there are two people working on it at different times. Lastly, I can download this, and if I want to download it, I can download it as a PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. PDF standard is typically what I do if I'm going to save it and send it to someone, and then all I have to do is click download. It will tell me it's preparing my design, and then it will end up in my downloads bar. And I can go from there and print it if I want, or attach it into an email. When I'm done, I can go back to my home page and notice my design will show up on the bottom here. And this is a way I can go back to it consistently over and over again. If I decide I don't like that design, I can go and just move it to the trash and get rid of it. I can move it to a folder, or I can even make a copy of it. So say you have two different event nights going on in two different buildings, but you want to use the same template, you can make a copy and then just make minimal changes to it as well. So these are some of the features of Canva. Again, this is just a brief tutorial. If you have additional questions, please feel free to reach out to your WOTech team.